So I finally feel like I'm reaching the ending of my healing stages. You know, I've took enough months off. May, June, July, August, about 4 months. So just a good little amount of time. Good 3-4 months. And I finally feel as if I'm completely ready to start interacting, not even rebranding, but it's just like stepping into this new level phase in my life. I've shed it, and now I'm beginning to create and transform again, which is a great feeling, because this was the reason why I had to cut off a lot of stuff and a lot of people. And I reached a realization today, and I'm just, when I see Bojang, like Django, Muhammad, like him just hitting me up and just like respecting the fact that, you know, I was the one who did good vibes and asked me for, you know, the blessing to keep it going. And that like kind of forced me to create this next step that I guess I never would have done myself, you know. And shout out to Karanya too for pushing me to set boundaries and make sure I don't give away my creative rights like I've been doing. And so I developed a brand partnership agreement, and I feel so accomplished. And I sent it over to him, and he was like with it, like no questions. I'm like, what the hell just happened? Like, I was so worried, but it was me not honoring myself, you know. All the shit that has happened to me, all the relationship and businesses and projects I've done, like a lot of it was just me not setting boundaries. And like, you know, like this boundary that I just created with this business is like just me honoring and respecting myself, you know, and recognizing my worth, you know, and my creativity, you know, and what I bring to the table. And like, it's just a great feeling. Like, I just really feel like I'm stepping into this new territory, where I'm taking my creativity a little bit more serious. I'm taking my creativity a lot more serious. Actually, that's what this is about. Me taking my mind and my creativity serious. You know, that's what this whole phase have like birthed into. And like me also creating this portfolio, like it's really showing off like all my goddamn experience I have. Like, bruh, I have hell of experience. I have hella knowledge. I have hell of experience, you know, like skills, all that stuff, you know. And there's no reason for me to be broke out here. And I recognize that it's because I have not been setting boundaries and respecting myself and asking for what I need. Asking for what I need. I have not been asking for what I need. I've just been giving. And now it's time for me to get back what I've invested, you know. And that was the whole purpose of me doing all this, like giving so much to Tuskegee and people and helping them grow, is because I knew sometime, like I see it as an investment. I've always seen it as an investment, you know. But I invested myself so much that I depleted myself. You know, I wasn't getting immediate return, and I was just giving. And so now it's coming back. It's coming back to me. And I'm more than happy, because it's been a hell of a journey, man. Heck of growth, and I appreciate the process. I'm still embracing the process. I'm still embracing the journey. And just shout out to everybody who loved me. Shout out to everybody who's patient with me. Shout out to everybody who has helped me, looked out for me, who's respected me, who's been by my side. Like, shout out to y'all. For real, shout out to y'all. Like, I love y'all.
And I'm full of light. Full of life. So I'm full of life. Full of life. And I'm full of life.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and check the tools and resources in the description box below.